Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. This is Mr. Singh. Yes, folks, I am back. I am back to talk about the Marathon Digital ticker symbol MARA stock, and this is one of my favorite stock. Used to be, and I am back on going back as one of my top swing traders and for potential for a long time because I like the setup. Right, I'm gonna test some couple of videos that I did it 2 years ago in this company, and I still have those resistance levels saved up. Nothing has changed uh, on my uh, on my trading platform, and nothing had changed on the video, so you can go watch. I'm going to link this video that I did 2 years ago on this, where I was expecting it to be, what were the key levels on that. But I'm back about talking about MARA, the Marathon Digital stock. Right, I'm going to talk about why I'm so interested, then we're going to talk about the technical analysis on this stock. Folks, this is a company that has a lot of potential. Right now the analysis is saying it's in hold. Right, I couldn't even beyond that, but I'm not holding. I am gonna buy stocks right now, and I bought some today, later today, and I am very upside on that. Like keep what it is, right? So the downside is a 2.2%, and I'm thinking, is like, why this guy is buying it when it's a bearish market, right? And I'll tell you a little bit later why I'm thinking it has a room for going a little bit higher than what we had closed up today, and potentially what is the next resistance level to look at, right? Nothing new. I'm sure most of you guys are watching the video know what this company is about, but I'm still going to talk about it. It is a digital asset company based in Vegas for blockchain of technology of mining company and producing of digital assets like Bitcoin, folks. Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is about roughly right 39,000 last time I checked. It is kind of go hand in hand on that too, right? Talk about it, why I'm seeing it. This is the reason, folks. The next earnings is coming up and it looks good, right? That is in March. The next earning for digital, it is in March of 21st of 2024. So something to keep an eye. Usually it moves that way, and you'll see a lot of movement on the Bitcoin too, right? Um, a little bit more about the company. We start looking at it. The average is right now $15.76. The higher price target is 27, and the low is $5. This stock to be over $30 that I used to trade on that. Uh, Love to see it, to get a lot of gains on that. But there's a very high potential on this stock, right? This annual sales is about $117 million. Prices of $30.60. Cash flow and everything is not there. The book value of the share is $2.65, and the book value, but the price value slash book is about $6.08. Right, outstanding shares is about 222 million and 630,000, and free floating shares is about roughly about the same time. Market cap is about $3.5 billion, folks. So it is a lot of potential on this stock. And let's quickly talk about the technical analysis side. I'm not going to waste a lot of your time and my time. So like today, it opened up at about $15 and went low at $15.45. Was testing it and kind of had a pullback. A good run today, right? Absolutely. After market, it closed to $6.81, folks. $6.81. It closed today. And why I'm excited, why I'm pumped up, this is one of the reasons I'm going to talk about, right? This is the key analysis that I had it. You won't believe it, folks. 2 years ago, I remember about this stock. So I'm going to go back to 1 year ago that where I had this stock rated. But before that, let's go to the 5 year, because this is where the action began. When I was remember of having trading this stock back in 2020 when it was $11, right, and going high of $85, and then kind of floated it around. It is gaining momentum. It is gaining momentum. This is a 5 year chart, folks. So I'm going to quickly go back to 1 year, and this is the key levels. Nothing different, nothing. And I don't want to say I called it right. I based on the technical analysis. There's no such thing as guessing in trading. It is all based on fundamentals and technical analysis on the chart. So that's why I'm gonna test the video to you guys to see it. It's like, okay, this guy is not talking. He just made it up right now. No, folks, I'm gonna test the video on that. So quickly go back to the 6 months. This is where the actions kind of see the momentum that where we had. This is where you had when you have the 200-day moving average is right here closing, right, and you say it is an uptrend, right? You can clearly see now it is closing up, right? But this the reason it was have banned out because closing up, because right now you can see your MACD. Look at your MACD right now, folks. right? And it is turning upwards, right? It is creating. Look at the RSI. Everything is pointing up. That's a 6-month chart. Quickly move to 3 months, right? Like I said, I don't waste your time. I don't want to waste my time too at the same time. MACD is pointing up right here. RSI is moving up again. Gonna go back to 1 month, right? Here's the action. Here's the action, folks. RSI has a lot of room. Look at your MACD. It is climbing up. It is gaining momentum. And your 1 month chart, you can clearly see that it is sitting at right at $16.41 where it got rejected today. But something to keep an eye, because the next resistance level that I am looking at it based on my 2-year chart, it is $18.59. And then after that, you have that the 200 EMI sitting at $19.16. So these are the two key levels to look at. I have my chart was drawn up, which is the biggest and the levels that I like to see this going up. It is the $28.82. But take baby steps, right? We got to take baby steps to make money, right? Sometimes, not always, but baby steps to see how the stocks ride, because you don't want the stock to go MARA to the Marathon Digital Holdings to go all the way up high, because it's going to come back right back down, right? So love to see it, right? So people can get good gains on that. So key levels to keep an eye on this week is $18.59 and $19.16. Is gaining momentum. You have that earnings coming up. Usually the stocks move up, in that direction. And after the earnings, you never know how the company's played out. But I'm already start doing my research how I'm predicting the earnings coming up. So stay tuned for more videos to see if it's this stock it is gonna be going upwards, or it's coming back right over here, right? Coming back right down, right? So $19 to keep an eye, then $16, sorry, $18, $19.16, right? There's a key level that I see right now also is right over here, sitting right roughly at $20. But baby steps, let's see if it breaks and holds that $16 and go test of $19.16. So these are the two key areas we're gonna look at. I'm excited. I'm back. I'm gonna keep doing these videos marathon too. Don't worry, folks. I have loaded some shares too. I'm in the same boat as you guys. Let's ride, let's win, and let's have some gains. Let's have some gains on this stock, because it has a lot of potential on this stock. If you, like I said, if you go back with 1 year chart, I had this chart, but I wasn't trading over here 1 year. I've been trading this for past 3 years, but nothing came across where exciting that I want to say that, hey folks, this is where we're gonna be heading. This is one areas that I used to been trading for so long on this stock, right? But now I'm in start doing my videos back again, and so I'm going to be start sharing it. You can clearly see that it got rejected. Oh my God, I'm pumped up. I'm excited. So I'm going to test the video so you guys can see it, but there is a high potential on that. The way it closed up today, I'm looking for a bigger run coming up, testing the of $20. Um, testing of the $18.19 and going back to the $20 level. Hey folks, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, stay tuned for more videos. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, and I'm gonna make sure that you guys be stay tuned for that. Thank you and have a good night.